Hey guys, today I'm going to test out using plastic sheeting by making a house cube. So I'm going to make this house cube by making a Fisher cube and then turning it into a house cube. And so first I started by taking off the center caps to tighten up all the faces. Then after that I got out my drill and then I just tightened all the screws so it won't turn around while cutting. And then I cut it on the bandsaw. And then after that I just sanded down the parts I cut so that the plastic sheeting will fit on properly. Then I cut out the plastic sheeting into small squares. It's important to measure the size of the plastic sheeting so that after you glue it on, you'll have room to sand it down, as you can see here. Just sand down the parts on the inside of the cube to allow it to be assembled. And now it's assembled. Next I mixed up Apoxie Sculpt and then I placed it onto the pieces to make the extension for a regular Fisher cube. And for a more in-depth explanation of this, I'll leave a link to my Fisher cube build video. But here it is, it's the Fisher cube. I just finished it off camera because I already have a tutorial on this. And then I decided to get another 3x3 and make it into 2 house cubes. And also, if you would like to learn how to do this, I have a tutorial which I'll also leave in the description. And here I'm done assembling it. Now I just need to paint it and sticker it. Here it is complete. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. As you can see, I had to improvise a little bit with a 7-color scheme, and I added pink to the bottom, and I think it looks okay. The plastic sheeting I used was ABS 1/16 inch, and I'll leave a link in the description where you could get it. I think it was a little bit too thick, but it still was fine because I was able to sand it down a little bit. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like and I'll see you in my next video.